Good morning everyone. My name is Dhanush. Class from 5th. My topic is nickname of great persons of India. Punjab Kesari Lal Lajpat Rai. Desh Ratna Dr. Rajendra Prasad, father of Gujarat. Ravi Chandra Maharaj. To Chaudhary Devlal. Nightingales of India, Sarojini Naidu, Lal Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Pal Bipin Chandra Pal, Bihar Vibhuti, Dr. Anuraga Narayan Singh, Babuji Jajivan Rao, Morning Star of India, Raja Rao Mohan Rao, Rajeshwari Purushottam Das Tandon. Thank you. Happy Republic Day. Thank you.